We're Sammy and Tommy. We just spent the last few months exploring some amazing places in Southeast Asia. We spent our first 2 weeks island hopping through Thailand. Starting in Phuket, we rented a scooter and explored big sites such as Big Buddha and Wat Chalong. A few days later, we hopped on a speedboat and explored the nearby authentic island of Koh Yao Noi. We stayed with a local family and went on a stunning boat tour exploring some nearby islands. We then headed south to Koh Lanta. We explored the national park and relaxed at our resort, enjoying the beach. After a short stay, we took a speedboat to the coral-rich waters of Koh Lipe.
This is so awesome!
Most of our days were spent kayaking out to some amazing snorkeling spots and eating delicious fresh seafood. Since we were so close to Malaysia, we decided to board across by boat to Langkawi.
It's the most interesting country crossing we've ever done.
Since we only had one full day here, we set out to find the best nearby beaches. By this time, we were ready for a change of pace, leaving the beach and heading to the capital city of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We explored the unique and beautiful Batu caves,
Durian,
tried some new and interesting foods, and saw the iconic Petronas Towers. After leaving Kuala Lumpur, we flew to the small country of Brunei. We visited the world's largest water village, saw a beautiful mosque, and took a river cruise through the mangroves. We then flew to Sandakan, Borneo, where we saw rare and incredible wildlife such as orangutans and the endangered proboscis monkeys. We drove south where we stayed on the Kinabatangan River and experienced a few scenic river cruises. We saw huge crocodiles and some of the most colorful birds we had ever seen. We ended our Southeast Asian adventure on the island of Palawan in the Philippines. We enjoyed a few nights in the relaxed, sleepy town of Port Barton. We rented a scooter, explored a nearby waterfall, and went on an adventurous group boat tour, enjoying secluded beaches and private islands. We celebrated our last day in El Nido with our own private boat. We visited the famous Secret Lagoon,
It is still secret.
kayaked inside Big Lagoon, and relaxed on Shimizu Island. We're so excited to start the next leg of our journey where we road trip Eastern Europe.
Good morning, people. It is way too early or late, depending on how you look at it. But we are heading out of Southeast Asia today. It's sad. We are ready though. Off to Croatia. I'm not sure why I said it in that tone, but it's early.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice meeting you guys. Have a good day, man.
Thank you. Found another snack in our bag.
This will be our last tricycle ride for quite some time, I think.
We're leaving the Philippines today.
Here's your boarding pass for Puerto Princesa to Manila.
Okay.
Hello.
The nicest guy.
Thank you.
I love AirAsia so much. They're seriously my favorite airline. I love them.
So we're about to hit up a couple lounges, relax a little bit before our big flight. Today is our last day in the Philippines. We are flying out right now and we are heading to Bangkok.
We have 24 hours here because we are repositioning ourselves to Croatia tomorrow. We're so excited to be going to a new region. We've been in Southeast Asia for 2 months now and we're ready for some cooler weather. We're here to do some shopping because we have to get some warmer clothes for Croatia.
Yeah, I can't really wear t-shirts and shorts the whole time. So
Salmon just made our first purchase.
I did. Bangkok was good to us. We got everything we needed for a trip.
It's time for bed now. We have to get up at 3 a.m. We're psyched. We can't wait to get to Croatia.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye.